What's up guys, TJ got Kicks 89 here back with another video for you guys. We have got a quick review on the Forcefield Shoe Care Kit that my sister actually got for me over at the Royal Sporting House in Malaysia. These were available at Foot Locker at some point, and they are still available over at Royal Sporting House. So this is just a quick run through of what you get inside the, what's this called? The Forcefield Shoe Care Kit. You get their description basically reads, kicks should always look and feel the way they did when you first opened them. The Forcefield Shoe Care Kit will keep your sneakers looking clean, fresh, protected from all elements. This all-in-one kit is easy to use, cleans up to 100 pairs of shoes, and it's travel friendly. So you get one athletic shoe cleaner, you get a red deep clean bristle brush, and a black gentle clean soft brush. I believe Forcefield was actually the initial the pioneers of those crease protectors that you put on Air Force One. The reason that you get Forcefield is because people actually put them in Air Force Ones first before they put them in other shoes to prevent creasing. Why would you want to prevent creases? Beats me. Yes, of course, I like to keep my shoes looking clean and looking fresh all the time, but there's no way that you can prevent creasing because that is your natural gait cycle. Your foot naturally wants to flex and bend and move, and to prevent that, I think, is kind of just going against the law of nature, which is just going against your entire gait cycle per se. But that's just a little bit of history behind Forcefield. Now you can get thousands of other brands. I mean, like Crep Protect has their own brands of those crease protectors and whatnot. But babbling a little bit too much, let's look at what's inside the box. So inside the box, I've already taken this out for you. You get a bag, the Forcefield bag. It feels very, very sturdy, obviously. And inside you get, like what it said, the first part, the athletic shoe cleaner, which is, what is the size of this thing? It's 100 milliliters, so it's about the same amount as a Jason Mark starter kit. And to say that it would clean up to 100 is arguable because it depends on how much you use the solution per se. And it said you get I guess you got to open up, but you get two sets of brushes. I'm just gonna open up each one for you guys. This is I guess this is just the standard brush. It's exactly the same one that you would get in the Jason Mark starter kit and every other hard brush that you would get. You use this primarily for the midsole and the outsole to remove dirt. You do not use this on on any woven materials. It will really it will abrade that material. Same with suede, you do not want to use this. But it says Forcefield there, black lettering with a red backing. And what's nice is that they actually paint the entire brush, because that kind of prevents water from seeping in too much. But you know that it would get into these holes and crevices on the side there. But I think it just adds a really, really nice touch, makes it look different from my other hard brushes that I have. Just put that back, and oh, there's a silica gel there. And the next brush that you get is the black brush. That is the premium brush. Silica gel again. Oh wait, what? No, what? so I actually got two red brushes. So I got two hard brushes. Not really gonna complain about that, but I'm supposed to get this color brush right here, and I'm assuming that's probably made by synthetic hog hair, but this feels exactly the same as the one just now. So can't really complain for getting two hard brushes, because I would rather have a lot of these than the premium ones, because I have other means of cleaning the uppers of my shoes that I've been using for the longest time, that have always worked for me anyways. One of them is using those soft hog bristle brushes, but I've been able to acquire a lot of those over my time, and they still work well. But yeah, so this is basically the Forcefield, what's it called again? The Forcefield Shoe Care Kit. You're supposed to get one red brush and one black brush. I got two. I got two red brushes instead. Like I said, not gonna complain about that. And you get the cleaner solution here. I am a person that likes to keep my kicks looking fresh all the time, because growing up I didn't have a lot of shoes, so I had to make do with what I had. I had to make my pairs last a lot longer, outlast my friends' pairs. But this is the Forcefield Shoe Care Kit. I'm excited to try this. Nothing much less to say, I guess. The Forcefield Shoe Care Kit. Get yours over at, I was gonna say Shoe Palace. Get yours over at Royal Sporting House. Right now they've got a discount going on if you buy 3 items or more. This is not a paid advertisement. It's just something that my sister and I experienced, and I felt that I wanted to share this with you guys. So if you feel like you want to save up on buying shoe care products, go over to Royal Sporting House. They've got the Forcefield cleaner kit, they've got the waterproofer, they've got the deodorizer, amongst other things. So this is it, guys. TJ got Kicks 89. Keep your kicks looking fresh. I'll see you guys in the next one.